Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. So today I am showing you and doing a review on the new Btartbox Ombre tips that they just released. So today I'm going to show you how I apply these, what they look like, and all the tea on these full soft gel tips. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so bear with me. I'm trying to do a double filming thing where you can see what I'm doing and also see my face so we can build a better connection. So here is the packaging. It's really pretty. I like, and it gives you some information on the back as well as their social media handles. So let's go ahead and pull them out. Ooh. So this is their XoXo tips. Patent material, BTMMA, 60 seconds, quick drying, more natural and healthier nails, okay? And then you flip it over and they give you instructions on how to apply the tips, okay? So a little bit of information on these nails, okay? They are a 3-layer patent system. Basically you get the primer, the soft gel, and the matte top coat all in one. So basically if you just want to wear them matte, you just apply them with the gel, a sticky tab, or some nail glue, and then you're basically, you know, good to go. But with these, I am gonna do like the soft gel tip extension way, which is using a soft gel, and I'm going to apply the nail on the actual, the tip on the actual nail with gel. So this is, don't mind this over here because I was playing with them before I started recording, but this is the ombre design, and I got, you could pick 2 colors. You could do pink, or you could do 2 colors, okay? You could do pink, the base pink, or you could do a peach. I decided to do pink. So this is the way they look with their ombre. Let's go ahead and pull them out. And when I was looking at these, I felt like the deeper you got into the packaging, to me, the ombre got stronger. So this is the first layer, right? Okay. And then you see, this is the second set of colors. And I feel like you can really see the ombre. The more layers you go into them. You see, you can really see the ombre. Really pretty. And then these come with 15 sizes, so I really like that. So it should be able to cater to a lot of different nail bed sizes. And then this is the last one right here. Okay, and I think it comes with, I want to say 150 nails. Is that what I saw? Yep, 150 pieces. Okay, so this is what they look like. Really pretty. Okay, let me move these out of the way so we could look at the structure of the tip. So playing with these, the base, which is near the cuticle right here, okay, this area right here is thin, so I like that. So when it goes out, it'll be nice and thin. Okay, you can see how flexible it is. And then the tip, you see, I could barely pinch the tip. It's flexible, but it's not as flexible and bendy as the cuticle area. You see, that's the cuticle, very bendy. And then the tip is more rigid, which is good. That's what we want, because this is what, you know, impacts the nail when we're using our hands. So this is the way the tip looks. And you can see how thin the base is and how much thicker the base, the tip is. So you can really see that. Really nice. So now that you know all the facts about the tips, let's go ahead and apply these on my own natural nails because I'm well overdue. Okay, I'm so overdue for a full set. So let's go ahead and prep these nails off camera. If you want to see how I prep my natural nails for any type of service that I do, go ahead and click on this video right here. I'll show you how to prep all my nails. So let's go ahead and do that off camera, and then we'll be back well, I'll be back, and then we're going to apply these nail tips. Okay, so to prep the nails, I used the Gel-X prep, and I etched the inside of the tip. So I took the brush and I etched it just like this and scrubbed it, and it created texture inside the nail. Okay. And now I'm going to use the bonder and the primer on all 10 of my fingers. Okay, and for the actual glue, I'll be using the Creations soft gel tip glue. And what I like to do with this is apply a slip layer on my actual natural nail. So I'm going to take some of the gel, okay? And then we're going to do a slip layer. Hopefully I'm in focus. Okay. And I'm gonna do that to all my fingers. So once the slip layer is applied, I'm going to cure it for about 10 seconds. So I have my lamp right here. This is from Amazon, and I will link it down below. So what I'm going to do is grab my tip and the gel. I'm going to apply, and I'm going to put some, I'm going to grab the gel. I'm going to put it on inside the tip. And I'm going to take some of a dollop. Okay, like that. Then take the tip at a 45-degree angle. We're going to feed it down the nail. And you'll just cure it. So here are the nails, okay? A few things that I have to let you guys know. I had to do more customizing with these nails than I do with my APRES tips. You guys know I'm an APRES girl through and through. I love my APRES tips, and that is why you barely see me doing reviews of other companies. But I wanted to do a review on these because, it's a different concept. So the first thing is I had to customize the cuticle area because their tips are more of like a square. You see, it's more like flat right here. And my cuticles are more rounded. So that's the first thing. The second thing is you cannot do a lot of filing and customizing because near the tip, I should say, because the color, the ombre, is spray painted on, you guys. So if you like shade too much or file too much, you're running into the risk of scratching the ombre shading that they have here, right? And then the third thing is my light took a lot longer to penetrate, into the tip to cure the glue. So I had to sit there a little bit longer. Either my light is not strong enough for these tips, or the paint that they use on here is too opaque that, the light can't really penetrate. So it took a little bit longer. So those are kind of the takeaways that I have noticed. So another thing too is the instructions clearly state that you have to put some type of, right here, Apply nail builder gel to the surfaces along the edges of the nail tip and cure it. The reason why you have to do this is because what I said earlier, if you file or, you know, doing your everyday thing, wearing and tearing of the nails, the paint will start scratching off. So they suggest that you put a builder gel on the nail and around, and you seal it around the tip, right? So that's another step that you have to do. With APRES, you know, you don't really have to do that. You do have to paint the ombre, you know, the pink, but that's it. You top coat it and you're done. With this, you have to do another step, which is apply a builder gel. And I'm going to be using the Model 1's builder gel because if I don't, they will start peeling, or like the paint will start chipping away. So let's go ahead and do that because we don't want that, right? Also, when you're capping the edges, you run into the risk of changing the shape of the nail and making it a little bit bulkier. So yeah, keep that in mind as well. All right, you guys, so here is how the nails look, okay? They don't look bad at all. Looking at it from a professional viewpoint, okay? I feel like these are not as, how can I say it? They don't live up to APRES Gel-X, okay? They're their own little thing. If you want some quick nails just to throw on, I think these are okay, but for extreme beginner, I'm not really sure because I was struggling with these. Like I said, the gel wasn't curing fast enough, the light wasn't penetrating, and you can kind of see like the shape of it. They just looks kind of wide and wonky to me. And I'm not sure if it's an application issue, but if you guys take a look at all my Gel-X nails videos, my nails look a lot more, you know, more sculpted, a little bit thinner. They don't look as bulky. So I don't know, you guys. Let me know if you have tried this brand before. I will definitely give it another try just to give it a fair chance. But first, you know, first impressions, they're okay. They don't look bad at all. Like if somebody looks at my nails, they'll be like, oh my God, you know, your nails are beautiful, because they don't look bad at all. But if I'm looking at it from a like a professional standpoint, I'll give it a 6, maybe 6, 7 out of 10. They're not my favorite tips. Granted, also, I've only been using APRES Gel-X for the past like 4 or 5 years. So I might be biased to it, but they're not bad. They don't look bad at all. Just, I don't know, not my cup of tea. I had to do a lot more work. And I just realized something. I forgot to top coat the edges, so they're a little bit sticky. So now I have to go back and top coat those. So it's just extra steps that you have to do with this product that I'm not really too fond of. With the Gel-X cover tips, let me get them for you. So I wanted to compare these. These are the APRES Gel-X ombre tips, okay? So this is a full cover tip, just like the BTA art box, right? They're full tip. With these, what you do is you put them on and then you paint the pink or whatever shade you want on top of it. And I will link the video up here and you'll see how much easier it is to just apply this tip and do a little bit of whatever color you want and top coat it and you're done. With these, you have to shape them because the cuticle area is kind of wonky, okay? You have to put the builder on it to cap it, and then you have to top coat it. With these, with the APRES ones, you just do the ombre and you top coat it and you're done. So it's like a few less steps that you have to take for these. But like I said, they're not bad. I just wouldn't, I don't think I would, me personally, would reach for these because of all the extra steps that I have to do to make it more customized to my fingers, if that makes any sense. But yeah, you guys, let me know if you have tried this brand. Comment down below what other videos you would like to see from me. And make sure to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Day after day.